Good. In this unit, in this session, we are discussing installing and using other modules. The whole unit 405, it's discussing different topics in Python. We can say a bit of advanced topics or intermediate topics. So there are some discussions at the moment for merging both units together and clustering them, unit 405 and 407. Then clustering them, this will help everyone to work better. We are trying to decide on that, but yeah, we will see. There are also some updates for the whole qualification coming on the way, and this is the normal thing in IT in general, in the IT field. So yeah, yes, correct. It will help with enrollment and everything else. There are some updates for few units. So for you guys, everything's fine, don't worry. So this unit, this topic, it's about installing and using other modules. So some modules in Python, we can install them and use them. Some of you already know about that, which is great. So they can really share their knowledge with everyone else. So this is good. So any programming language will come with some library or what we call module extensions. So we can get these ones from different forums, and the one mentioned here, it's a really good one. So pythonpi.org. So we can browse this website and get different extensions, modules or library extensions. Some examples here like Python or PyCryptoDOM-X. So self-contained Python package of low-level cryptographic primitives. So this is just an example showing, it's a screenshot from that website, and we can read the documentation also. So most of APIs there, they have documentation, so you can know exactly their functionality and how to use them. Installing the modules outside of the IDE. So you can do that in Linux as a package. So sudo apt-get install Python 3, then pycryptodom. You can also, even in Windows, with pip command on Linux and Windows. So pip install pycryptodom-x. So I think there is X missing here. So it will be installed. Then this is outside of the IDE. Inside the IDE, like Sony, you go to Tools, Manage Packages, then search for the modules, then click to install them, and it will be installed in Sony inside the IDE. There are some examples from the book, Automate the Boring Stuff, our main reference. So there is a tool to extract text from a PDF file, and it's called PyPDF2 module. So here we have the comment or documentation. Open up the given PDF document in binary mode. So PDF file object, just a variable, then open. We will open the file, create PDF reader object from the file, then get every page from the document as an object. We extract the text from the page and print it out. So yeah, most of the data is textual and it contains patterns. So regular expressions allow you to describe patterns in text, match or find the patterns in strings, replace patterns in strings, and this is what's called regular expressions. So there is a syntax for defining regular expressions, even though it's ugly, but it's powerful. So the following examples, we got them from w3schools.com website. Again, it's really a good idea to go through this one. So some examples here, like import, check if the string starts with the and ends with Spain. So we are doing the text, the rain in Spain. So RE, this is the RE, regular expression. So RE, then parameter search, then we give the parameter here, searching for that text. So if X print yes, we have a match, else print no match. And when you run the application, yes, we have a match. So the RE module, regular expression module, offers a set of functions that allows us to search a string for a match. So for example, find all, this will return a list contains all matches. Search returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. Split returns a list by splitting the string at each match. Sub replaces one or many matches with a string. So then we have characters with special meaning. Here we can use that. Set of characters, signal special sequence, any character except the new line character, starts with, ends with. We use that here in the example. So you see, starts with, ends with, asterisk, and this exponential thing. So starts with, ends with 0 or more occurrence. So more, one or more occurrences. So we have examples on the right hand here. Exactly the specified number of occurrence, either or, capture and group. So we use these parameters when we conduct our search or use any of these functions in our application. We have also meta character sequences. So they are mentioned here. It's really good idea to use them in your exercises, the coming ones. And sets and ranges of characters, different ones. Again, some examples from this website. Then here, you need to try this method. Once I just stop the recording, you can try this method, please. So you can have some hands-on, as we did with the, as we do actually with every session and topic. After we finish the delivery, we have the exercises to play with. So here, search method. So it's giving example on the search method. So it will search for string for a match, then it will return the match object if there is a match. So only the first occurrence is returned. We have the code here as an example. Also, good idea to try all of these methods. Then split method, it will return a list where the string has been split at each match. So here you can see the result when we run the method here with this text as an example. Then sub method replaces the matches with the text of your choice. It's like find and replace. So it will find some text here and replace. So here it replaced the spaces here with 9. So \s with 9. So here this is the result. Then 9 rain, 9 in, 9 Spain. With regular expressions, yeah, good idea to check this website, test and try out possible regular expressions on some input text. And here they are giving you some example for grep. It's a Linux tool to print outlines from a text file that matches a regular expression. Some of you tried grep when they were trying and studying Linux. So search for the 4 letters door, and you will search for L at a word boundary followed by any number of lowercase letters ending with an R on a word boundary. It's giving you the logic, then the source code here. So we are getting that. Then, so this is the grep. So I will, just after the recording, I will give you time to try this one and discuss. Then sed also is a Linux tool, another example, to replace text in a text file with new text. It's like find and replace in Microsoft Word. So we are replacing the word father with the word piano. I'm not sure why, but they are doing that here. Another example, we are combining PDF. So search for text in a PDF file and print matches out. It gives you the logic here, discussion. Okay, so after this one, we have the exercises. So we have exercises, few exercises here, starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 3 or yeah, 4 exercises. And it's a really good idea to try that. So in the remaining time of the class, please try these ones. So I'll stop the recording now. Then you can ask me questions and start working on exercises. Thank you for your time.